kind of think of this period right now that we're in for Shiba Inu as the calm before the storm. It is the calm before the storm. Now you're like, well, was this a bad thing, Austin? No, this is actually a positive thing. This is a good thing to talk about the fact that I think things are about to get very interesting for Shiba Inu in probably July and August. And so, with that said, what am I talking about? I'm talking about Shibarium. Okay. And so, give me a few minutes of your time. I promise this will be worth your time. Okay. So, if we take a look at what is going on with SHIB right now, as far as the kind of the market is really not doing anything, quite frankly. Right. And that's with Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything. Everybody's kind of in a wait and see mode. Everybody's kind of like, okay, what's going to happen? What's going to go on? Kind of with the larger kind of financial picture, stocks, crypto, uncertainty, doubt, inflation, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Now, if you take a look at SHIB, it's doing the exact same thing. On the 7-day, it's only down 1%, and it's at 5086 and change, 50867. Okay. Now, what is the calm before the storm that I'm talking about? Well, the calm before the storm that I'm talking about is Shibarium and the launch of Shibarium. The launch of Shibarium is going to be a game changer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It is going to be simply I got an itch right there. I always get an itch whenever I'm on camera. It's like weird. It is a game changer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Everything is going to touch it. Everything is going to run off of it. And it's going to be the heart, if you will, the backbone, whatever metaphor works for you for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And in that context, it's going to burn Shiba Inu tokens, 50 plus trillion or more, probably a year annualized. What Shiba Inu tokens will be burnt. Most likely, again, these are guesstimates. We don't know the exact number yet. See, there's another itch as we roll along. When Shibarium's up and running with a mainnet launch. Okay, now, but it's not just the burning scenario. There is an army of projects waiting and lined up to launch on Shibarium as well. Okay, so you're going to see a completely new wave of projects launch on the L2 blockchain, and that's going to be a game changer as well. It's a new, significantly big opportunity for kind of projects around Shiba Inu to partner with, to be aligned with, and all that kind of stuff. But this is the calm before the storm. This period right here, right now. If you look at even like Bone itself is not really doing anything, right? Bone has, let me show you. Here it is right here. Okay, so Bone itself is at 75 cents. And look at the last 1 month. It's consolidated. Since about the last 3 weeks, it's basically been consolidating right here. Okay, Bone is going to be the gas token for Shibarium. It's going to go up. It's the calm before the storm. The price of Shiba Inu will rise when Shibarium launches because you will have global, worldwide media coverage of this. This is a big, huge, massive event. So with that said, just wanted to kind of give you my 2 cents on that right now. So with that, I'll see you. Have a good one. Go make some money.